Michelangelo of bone art. Is someone there? Whoa, dude! You are a mess! Seriously, you are never gonna get the knots out of that hair. On your hands? Huh? Hey! Where are you going? Wow! Sure travels light for a big guy.
You are the Michelangelo of makeup. Happiness is finding the right pimple cream.
Just have to bring the laundry in, Snookums. Then I'll remove the crust from your sandwiches.
Don't be silly, Cuddly Pie. I can do it myself.
Careful! Remember what happened last time.
Ouch! Strained my wrist.
Not again. Month-old bread is cheaper, but a little rugged, Snookums. Oh! Is that you, Brady? No, not Brady. You new to the neighborhood?
Where's Mom?
Maybe she's still in bed.
Could be. I spent all night in the bathroom sleeping next to the first aid kit.
Want me to try and cook something up? No! Burn down a kitchen once, and you pay for life.
Hey, the twins took a cooking class. I want to see my money at work.
Souffle. Made from old bread and a banana. I don't think so.
This strawberry jubilee is kicking. What's your secret ingredient?
I wonder how Mom would feel about this.
You sure Mom's all right?
Wait! I think I remember something about last night.
What?
Nope. Nothing.
Hey, Mom! Okay, that's weird. It's as if she was never even here last night.
This could mean trouble, Brady. Something has to be done.
You're not thinking search party, are you?
I'll organize a search party soon as I finish my strawberry souffle.
You're a monster, so you probably don't know, but this is no way to treat a new neighbor. You're supposed to send a formal invitation. Now, this is really inappropriate. I can't go in there. Because I didn't bring a housewarming gift, that's why. Hey, it's dark in here. Interesting what you've done with the place. Oh, what is that terrible smell? You get garbage pickup out here?
Huh?
What are you looking for?
Clues. My mom vanished, and nothing just disappears into thin air.
Except all those ghosts at the haunted house.
True.
And remember those nightmares? They just up and poof!
Verge, my mom is missing.
Right, sorry. All right, eyes wide open for fingerprints. Footprint.
Virgil, you found a clue.
Glad to help.
Three-toed, prehistoric bone structure. I'd say late Jurassic period.
Your mom was kidnapped by a dinosaur?
Nope. A missing link.
No such thing. Is there?
Normally, Usually I bake my apple butter muffin cakes for new neighbors. But don't hold your nasty breath. Because you are very rude, you know, even by monster standards. Oh, please. How tough is cooking hot dogs? Can't you do anything but grunt? This strong silent type is wearing pretty thin.
You mean it?
Say, what?
'Cause I've been dying for someone to talk to. That's gonna hurt.
The tracks pick up right here and lead right into the darkest part of Ravenville Forest, to Cranky Cave.
Cranky Cave? What kind of name is that for a cave?
Quiet! I think I hear something.
We'll find her, guys. Don't worry. To the forest!
That's my dad! No way we're gonna be able to sneak up on that missing link now.
Too bad. Want to catch a flick?
We'll have to beat them to the monster's cave. Let's go!
There's a monster in Cranky Cave?
Look at the map! That's not a map. It's a mustard stain.
What should we do, Maxwell?
Follow that mustard stain!
Distraction!
Virgil?
I'm the distraction.
Oh! Brady?
You're safe now, Mom. Nothing can hurt you as long as I'm here.
Oh, honey, that's so sweet. But I'm having a good time. She's a wonderful hostess.
Huh?
Yikes!
Where'd everybody go?
I can't see anything, Brady. Ah! Sorry.
Hey, check out these drawings.
These are terrible, crude, frightening.
Females. Sewing circle. Tea party. Well, I'll be.
Hand-me-downs.
No one to talk to for how long?
65 million years, give or take. Lynx aren't what you call the social type. Except for me, of course.
You need a girlfriend, girlfriend.
You're a great listener.
Thank you. You know, usually it's Brady who solves all of Ravenville's monster mysteries. But I think I've got this one all figured out.
Sure, I'm sure. Stop yelling! I'm standing right here. Are you sure you heard voices coming from around this spot?
He's sure.
A talking rock!
Help us out!
And it can throw its voice!
We don't want any trouble, but if you don't bring my Pollyanna out here this very minute, I'll...
You spread some very nasty rumors.
It's a monster building, Fiddle. You think it cares what people think?
Not feeling appreciated!
If you don't come out, we're coming in. Countdown time. 3, 2... Wait, I lost count.
Thank goodness. It smelled like feet in there. Old feet. Old feet made of cheese.
Brady, where's your mom?
She's with a missing link.
What?
The link's just lonely, Dad. All she wants is Mom's company.
You guys, this way. Us guys, that way. We're not leaving this forest until we find her.
Mom's fine! She's probably introducing her to the girls right now!
Look at you! You're the life of the party!
Well, enough about me. How about all of you?
Well,
Can I tell you about the man in my life? This guy was a real missing link.
Smells like real